How to stop apps from running in the background. To prevent apps from running in the background, you can either restrict individual apps' background activity or disable background app refresh entirely. So head over your settings for that. On your Android device settings, scroll to the options and look out for the section called Apps or Apps Management. And once you find it up, you can select the app that you want to restrict. So let me just head over the app, for example, ChatGPT. So you can open up the app settings here and then look out for battery section under uses. And once you find it, select the option called restrict. This one right here, which is restrict background activity or restrict to limit its background uses. Or you can basically head over and uh, find background app refresh or something option if that is available to you and select off to disable it completely and that can refresh in the background. Apart from that, look out for this force stop option. You can also use this option to immediately stop the app, though this might not be a permanent solution. You may follow this step and do so. And if you do not use an application, you can just go ahead and uninstall it completely to prevent it from running in the background. So this is like stop apps from running in the background in your device. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.